In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a zip code on Google Maps. If you've ever needed a zip code for shipping, filling out a form, or confirming a service area, Google Maps makes it quick and accurate. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to look for and where it appears on the screen. First, open your browser and go to google.com/maps. You can do this on a computer or a mobile device. Once the map loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. You don't need to sign in for this. We're just using the map and its place details. Next, search for a location. Type an address, a street name, a city, or even a business if that helps you get close to the spot you need. As you type, Google Maps will suggest results. Pick the one that best matches your target location, then press enter or tap the suggestion to have the map zoom there. Now select and click the location you're interested in. If you see a list of results on the left, choose the one that's correct. You can zoom in for precision and click directly on the building or the exact point you need. This places a pin and pulls up information for that spot, which is important because zip codes can vary even within a town or neighborhood. Go to the address details that appear with the pin. On a computer, you'll typically see an information panel on the left side with the place's name and address. On mobile, a small card appears at the bottom. Swipe it up to expand. This is where Google Maps consolidates the address components. You will see the zip code right in that address line. In the United States, it usually appears as a 5-digit number at the end of the address, sometimes with an extra 4 digits. In other countries, it may be labeled as a postal code, but it will appear in the same place within the address. If it doesn't show right away, zoom a bit closer and select the exact building or entrance so maps can display a more specific address. Choosing a precise point helps ensure the code you see matches the location you actually need. That's all there is to it. Open Google Maps, search the place, click the correct spot, view the address details, and read the zip code. Use this whenever you need a reliable code for deliveries, registrations, or planning routes. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping.